Welcome back guys, welcome back to DigiAI Studio. In this short video, I will show you how to convert a 2D floor plan into a real 3D rendering based on your plan. You can also define the style of the rendering based on the type of the architecture you want, like minimalistic, chipendy, modern, or any other style you prefer. The best part is you only need one master prompt to achieve this. Here we have two floor plans, one apartment and one house. Let's convert them into proper photorealistic 3D renderings. Or you can even think of them as a real photos. So let's start with the apartment floor plan. Go to the DigiAI Studio school page and open the classroom. The link is in the description below. Then go to the course number DAS09 2D floor plan to 3D render. Open the course. Inside you will find several pages with explanations, sample results, and reference guide. Go to the first page and that's where you will find the master prompt. Copy the master prompt and paste it into any LLM. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini. For this example, I'm going to use Google Gemini. One advantage with Gemini is it can also generate images directly inside using Google Nano Banana, and it tends to include more descriptive text with the output compared to other models. I will show you guys what I mean. Open Google Gemini and paste your prompt. Once it analyzes the prompt, it will ask you to update the floor plan image. Just upload the floor plan you want to convert. Gemini will analyze the image and give you 3 architecture style options. In this case, it suggests modern minimalistic, Scandinavian, or urban contemporary. Choose whichever the style you prefer, or you can also add in your own style. But for this example, I'm going to select the option C. Just type C. After that, it will ask for the output format. You can choose a presentation board which includes multiple 3D images plus a 3D floor plan view. Individual room prompts which generate prompts for each room separately, or both. For this example, I will choose the presentation mode option. Just type 1 and send. Now the Gemini generate the final prompt that we'll use in Google Nano Banana. Copy this prompt, open a new tab and go to image generation and upload your floor plan. This is very important. Make sure the floor plan image is uploaded. Then paste the prompt Gemini generated earlier and run it. It will take a little time depending on the complexity of your floor plan. Once it finishes, it will generate an image like this. As you can see, everything is clearly divided, and it also adds the text label explaining which room is which part of the house. This is what I mean earlier. When you use Nano Banana Pro directly inside Google Gemini, it automatically places these labels on top of these images. If you run the same prompt with other image generation, you usually won't get this detailed explanation, which I will show you guys in a while. Before that, let's place the original floor plan and the rendered version side by side and compare them. As you can see, we now have a proper 3D layout. When you compare it with the original 2D floor plan, everything lines up correctly. The rooms are in the right position and the windows are placed accurately, and the overall layout matches the plan very well. Next, let's take the same house and generate it with a different architecture style. This time, let's switch it to modern minimist. That was option A. So I will simply type in here, restyle this in option A. Then the Gemini will generate a new prompt using that style. just copy the prompt and paste it into Nano Banana, then run it again and wait for the results. Now you can see the same house and the same floor plan, but rendered in a completely different style. The layout is identical, but the architecture and interior styling have changed. Pretty easy, right? Imagine doing this manually in traditional 3D rendering. Okay, let's do one more rendering. This time we will use the house floor plan and generate it in a different environment. For the LLM, I'm going to use ChatGPT this time. Copy the master prompt again from the school page, paste it here, and update the new house floor plan. Then same like Gemini earlier, ChatGPT also will ask for your style and the layout. Choose the one you prefer. For this example, I will choose Scandinavian. Then select the presentation board format again. Once the prompt is generated, copy it. This time I'm going to use free pick. Inside free pick, make sure you choose the correct model, Google Nano Banana. Don't forget to upload the floor plan. Upload the floor plan image, then paste the prompt. Keep the aspect ratio square. Then create the image. Now the image has been created. You can compare this with the actual 2D plan. As you can see, it generated the new house layout, and it even created the outside area with the driveway and the car. Everything looks great. One thing you may notice in here, the labeling is not as detailed as when we use the Gemini directly. Here it has few labels. So this is what I mean when you use the Nano Banana directly inside Gemini, it add more details. All right, guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoy this and want more advanced prompt like this, head over to Digi AI Studio school page. We have specially designed prompt packs for Nano Banana. These are not simple prompts, they are advanced systems, and you can see we have already released 3 volumes. We are planning to release new volumes regularly, around 2 to 3 per month. With these, you can create much more advanced work. Video prompt packs also coming soon to the school page. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.